What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, this is my combo. I made it. It's a new combo. Yeah, new game, new stuff. And I think this is gonna be my main combo for a few months or a year. I don't know. I'm gonna use it quite a lot in my videos. So yeah, if you aren't subscribed, subscribe and smash the like button. Comment down below what challenges you want me to do. And yeah, I'm getting right into it. Yeah, let's kill that guy real quick. I don't think it'll be that easy this time, but be quite. Oh my! We don't talk about that. That was completely a pinch. I didn't know that he was in there. Yeah, we didn't talk about it. So yeah, we're just gonna play another match. Because nothing happened, yeah. I hate bots. They're like the most annoying. They literally close doors once. Oh my god, I literally hate this. That's actually what I hate bots. I was like pressing it. I just RPG'd myself into a bot once and I died. That's how annoying they are. Yeah! Yeah! And we're gonna kill the bots. That's annoying, bro. Oh my man. We don't talk about it. And we're again playing another one. Another match. And I think the last match because I'm just so angry. Yeah. I'm starting to think this combo isn't really that powerful. It doesn't give me any loot. Good luck. So yeah, we don't get a victory this match. I'm gonna, for the next video, I'm gonna make a new combo and yeah, and get some new luck. So I'm just gonna kill that guy with our block. We blocking you, block. Insane. Block. The block is insane. The block! And then the overpowering. Yeah, that's what happened. I'm starting to think this is actually quite powerful after all. Teleport. Oh, that's actually pretty decent. Oh, I didn't know it's that close. Okay. Oh my god, just stop it, man. Take a chicken. Let's go, we got him. This is just so insane. I don't know how I killed him. Okay, I'm just mad. I'm not even gonna talk about it. The video ends. See you later. Peace.